name is Isabel Angajani and I'm gonna teach you how to fix corrupted files on Windows 11. First, why corrupted files are being occurred. For some reason, maybe some file you modify was changed incorrectly without you even noticing it. Hard drive is near damage or currently having issues you didn't know. Sudden power interruption and you didn't close the file properly. You have no idea something went wrong until you check and open the file and it's corrupted. Sometimes everything is fine, it's totally fine, but error still appears. Basically, corrupted files occur because computer is controlled by a human. Meaning to say, not every time it is working perfectly as its finest. There's always gonna be an error. Computer is not perfect as it controlled and made by a human who is not perfect. But it's fine, it's totally fine because there's always a solution. As long as we seek through the process, we'll get through it. I'll demonstrate how to fix this issue on Windows 11. Just follow the step-by-step process. So I'll teach you two methods on fixing corrupted files on your computer. First method is search the command prompt and run as administrator. Click yes and type sfc/scan now. So this will be loading for about 2 to 5 minutes. It may take time, but you should trust the process. So after the long wait, now restart your PC and check the files and it should be fixed. We'll use the command prompt. Right click, run as administrator, and click yes. Now we'll type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and enter. This will also take time, but as always, we should trust the process. So it says here the restore operation completed successfully. The operation completed successfully. So after this, restart your PC and the issue should be solved. I hope you learned from my video and help you with your problem. Thanks for watching. Be safe.